Watch the clearance on bay 3.
Yeah, I see it. Keep moving.
Welcome to our train manufacturing facility. Today we'll show you exactly how these powerful machines are built, from raw steel to the final railway-ready product.
Keep coming back, slow now. Watch your left side, steady.
Steady, steady!
.400 gauge copper. Coil 12. Drums A and B. Total 15 units.
Left, left, hold!
We got 50 of the vibration pads here.
All right, mark it down. And the seals.
Yeah, those are all accounted for.
Easy, easy, down.
Check the yellow tags first.
All right, I'm cutting the wrap now.
These components look undamaged.
Make sure they're stacked properly on the angled racks to prevent warping. And keep those masks on. The dust is thick today.
Check the delivery note. 32 circuit boards and the connectors.
There's a slight inconsistency in the weave here.
All right, I see it. I'll make a note on the clipboard.
0.25300ths. Write it down.
Check this crack, that's a Delta 4.
Roger that. V22 is marked.
7/5 confirmed. Batch 2-alpha. Verified.
Reject, reject.
See this edge here? It's chipped.
Yes, that's unacceptable. The rubber elasticity is also off on this batch.
Okay, that's 7 more rejected. Total count is now 53 for the shift.
Batch 7B is secured at Zone 4, Shelf 12.
All right, easy now. Bring it down another foot. Watch the alignment. Okay, set it down gently.
Check the template for the width.
It says 42.5 inches.
Mark it right there.
Left, back. Hold it.
You good?
Yeah, you good? Yeah?
Listen up, side panels are 202, floors are 204, and the roof sections are 3312. Make sure they're tagged.
Bring it slightly left, watch the line.
Okay, hold it right there, that's the mark. Set it down. .36B, lock it down.
Got it. Clear on the west side.
Hey boss, the alignment on frame 12 is off by 3 millimeters. It needs adjustment.
All right, let's get it fixed now.
All welds confirmed. Final approval granted.
Raise the platform up slowly. I need more cable. Copy that, moving it up.
Looks good here.
Check this seam on the inside, solid.
Go ahead and start.
All right, firing it up now.
Next section. At the high mark, we've got a 3 millimeter bulge. Recording station 12, offset 3 millimeters positive.
It's still low right here at the edge. Yeah.
Send it back through the roller. It's not holding the curve. Okay, we are ready for the next panel outside.
Leak here.
The repair on section 4 looks solid now.
Agreed. Market approved.
Pressure steady at 50,000 PSI. Deflection is minimal, holding strong.
Check the rear weld point. Looks like microfracturing.
The alignment here is slightly off specification. We'll need a minor touch-up on this section before final approval.
Noted. Proceeding with the stamp.
Pressure engaged. We are currently at 10,000 PSI, holding steady.
Offset is reading 2 millimeters starboard. Camber point 0.5 degrees. Total tow 1.5 millimeters.
Seven bolts torqued to spec. Verified.
The sequence is confirmed on the board. We will engage the crane slowly. Monitor the tension at all 4 points.
Push, push, hold.
The audio contains speech from workers calling out measurements and instructions, such as 2 inches, 1 inch, and ½ inch.
Pull, slack. Stop.
Circuit 42B, panel C.
Confirmed. Now checking the junction box schematic for clearance.
Okay, the grounds are secure. Next is the low voltage wiring according to this schematic. Okay, next is wire 302. Connect to terminal 42.
We're getting an intermittent reading on the insulation test. Try cycling the power again on circuit 4.
All right, bring it down slow. We need to catch the pads. Got the wrench in. Lower, lower. We need another cleat right here.
Wait, the drawing shows a flexible run next.
All right, let's connect the flex duct then.
CFM is stable at 450.
Temperature differential is exactly 10 degrees. Sound check complete.
Noted. Let's move to the next zone.
Okay, right here is still high. Hit this spot again. The screws look good over there.
Keep the spray even on the edges there.
Switching tanks now, be right back.
We need to align this exactly with the chalk line.
I've got the spacing gauge set. It's perfect.
Check the seam right here. Looks clean. Sign off on page 3.
Voltage at terminal block, 24.5 volts.
Confirmed. Initiate lighting sequence. Ground resistance checked. System status nominal. Pneumatic brake system test. Step 4.
Verify maximum working pressure achieved.
Increasing power to 50%.
Copy that, engineer. Vibration levels stable. Preparing for brake test.
She's all set. ready for the main line.
Looks perfect. Great job, gentlemen. We'll take it from here.